Hello, brilliant minds. Welcome to another power-packed Queen's English lesson with Mr. Victor, your guide to speaking Polish professional and proper English. Today, we are zooming on a small but mighty sound, the I sound, as in bit, live, finish. It's short, it's sharp, and it instantly boosts your pronunciation when done right. Let's delve into it. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and I'll give a simple short sentence for each one. Ready? First word is sit. Say sit. Instead of saying seat, you say sit. Sit. Please sit on the chair. Kick. Kick. Don't say kick. Keep it short. Kick. Kick. He gave the ball a strong kick. He gave the ball a strong kick. Next, pick. Pick. Keep it short, and it's the I sound. Pick. Sentence. Pick a number between 1 to 10. Next, live. Say live. I live with my brother. I live with my brother. Next, finish. Finish. Let's finish the work before lunch. Let's finish the work before lunch. Next, fish. 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 She bought fresh fishes. Fish. This one is a little bit complicated. Little. You can either say little or little. Little or little. Try this one. Milk. Milk. He drinks milk every morning. He drinks milk every morning. Minute. There's only 1 minute left before the bell rings. Minute. And the last one is dinner. Say dinner. Dinner. We had rice and beans for dinner. Fantastic work! You've just sharpened your English with one of the most important sounds in English. Let's quickly go over the words. Sit, kick, pick, live, finish, little or little, milk, minute, and finally, dinner. Remember, it's not just about having a foreign accent. It's also about clarity, confidence, and class in your communication. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. Until next time, speak smart, sound smart, shine bright. Bye.